Hippocrates said, "The natural healing force within each one of us is the greatest force in getting well. Our food should be our medicine. Our medicine should be our food."
Mm, the body loves this stuff. Blood cells are dancing. So here to share my recipe called the ultimate smoothie. It's a recipe I came up with a little over 2 years ago, right after I read a book called The pH Miracle by Dr. Robert O. Young and his wife, Shelley Redford Young. Um, Dr. Young did a deep dive into the study of red blood cells and what foods and conditions make them thrive. So, if you want to lose weight, feel better, have more energy, have a stronger immune system, and just actually be healthier, give this a try for a while. I highly recommend it. Hey, what do you got to lose? So, let's move it into the kitchen.
Okay, so here we have the main ingredients of the ultimate smoothie recipe. And of course, you have half a personal sized watermelon there. You have cold pressed juice, which, as you can see, has cucumber, celery, grapefruit, green chard, and lettuce. Cold pressed is key, not pasteurized. It is also organic. It can be found locally here in the Midwest at Kroger and Whole Foods. They both carry it. Two average size avocados there. I try to buy organic whenever possible with all these ingredients. Organic wheatgrass powder, that adds protein and other vital nutrients. We have fresh spinach, organic. We have ginger, organic ginger, and turmeric. The pepper is just there, just a pinch of pepper, which helps with the absorption of the turmeric. Okay, so I've filled the blender pitcher with watermelon. It's not completely to the top, as you can see. Then we take the cold pressed juice, give it a good shake, and I'm just estimating. I want my end result to be a milkshake thickness when I'm done. And just because I've made these so many times, I'm eyeballing it, but that's about what is going to do it by the time I put all the other solids in there. Speaking of that, the awesome avocado. Make sure they're fresh, slightly squishy to the touch. This is not the best avocado I've ever seen. Hoping for better results on this one. Slicing it in half, going around the horn. Give it a twist. Now that is a good avocado. That is a good avocado. All right. Chop the seed, not my finger. Give it a twist. By the way, you pinch the back end of the seed along the back end of the blade and push forward with your thumb and finger. That's how that comes off of there. Really easy. And let's get rid of a little bit of the skin on there. Making sure we got all the good stuff. Avocado is one of the main ingredients. Got to have it in there. Awesome vitamins and nutrients, but the texture is a must. Gives it that milkshake consistency. The other half, you can see we're getting full here, so I'm going to have to blend this down real soon. Which I will do. Trying to rush it a little bit because I'm got you guys waiting for my. Okay. All right, so I just gave it a little partial blend there just because to get the level down there so I can put the rest in. And what I'll do now is my powders. I don't have any laboratory made powders. Nothing that a company is selling. These are all natural ingredients from the earth. wheatgrass powder, adding the protein. And probably about a tablespoon of organic ginger. Again, I eyeball this in, does not have to be perfect. After you've done them a while, it doesn't take much to get it right. The black ground pepper, again, is just to help with absorption of the turmeric. Turmeric is awesome against inflammation. It's amazing. And fresh spinach. So that is the entire, that's my smoothie recipe right there. The little blendation here, how it comes out. Let's rock and roll. Try it for a while to reap the benefits. Try to stick close to the recipe without adding any high sugar fruits and without adding any laboratory produced powders that companies are selling. Okay, to your good health, ladies and gentlemen. Health is wealth.